Google Play requires closed testing before your app can go live. In this video, I will explain how to set it up and how to get 12 or more testers easily. Google Play closed testing is a testing stage. Only selected users can install and test your app before it is released to the public. Google requires at least 12 testers to test the app for 14 continuous days. This helps Google make sure the app is stable and safe before releasing it to everyone. First, open the Google Play console using your Google account. From the dashboard, select the app you want to publish. Now, in the left menu, go to Testing and Release. Click on Closed Testing to continue. Next, select Manage Track. Here, open countries or regions. This step is very important. You must select the countries where your testers are located. To avoid any access issues, it is recommended to select all countries. By selecting all countries, your testers can install the app without region restrictions. This also helps prevent common errors like app not available in your country. After selecting the countries, save the page before moving to the next step. Now, go to the Testers section. Choose Google Groups as the tester option. Enter the Google Group email ID that includes all your testers. Then, save the changes. After saving, copy the app testing URL shown on the page. Share this link with your testers so they can join the closed testing. Finally, click Publish and submit the app for review. Google will review your closed testing configuration. This usually takes a few minutes, but in some cases, it may take longer. Once approved, your closed testing will be live, and testers can start installing and testing your app. Production means app live on Play Store. Before production, do closed testing. You need 12 testers for 14 days. Upload app. Testers install app. Wait 14 days. Then apply for production. Developers usually get 12 testers through managed testing platforms, private closed testing services, or trusted developer and student communities. The goal is the same, completing 14 continuous days of policy-compliant closed testing before applying for production access. After completing 14 days of closed testing with at least 12 testers, your app becomes eligible to apply for production access on Google Play. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Google Play testing and app launch tips.